So I got the other button thing scratched right there, or broken. This one's better. Buttons are a little nicer, but you can't tell on video. Need to go after that with Goo Gone, where the AOL sticker was. Here's the trackpad. Luckily I didn't have to take the whole thing apart. Here's the touchpad, and there it is. The screw is right there. Further cleaning in the crack right there, see? There's the battery. Looks like Matsushita. I think. You can correct me if I'm wrong. I had to break that piece of plastic off, but it fits. So I found this. We'll put the battery in here because I got the support information sticker. Linda wrote the model number. Keyboard, don't care about that. This is the same one. Looks like the same one. I don't think this one looks any better. Well, well, well. Got a box of crap here. Let's see what's in it. And nothing I need. Fail. I'm such a moron. I went through a box and this was in it and I did not see it. I thought this was to the other one. Now we have the better screen. A little bright right there. Did a keyboard swap because I messed up that key right there. Let's see how pretty it is. We're going to check the battery info.